Gabriella, your undercover agent from karmalifestyles.com. What happens after the honeymoon phase in a relationship? Where does all the fun go? In today's video, we're going to explore something different. It's about how to make a woman miss you like crazy. But guys, before I continue, why don't you hit that lovely subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the next coming video. It doesn't matter whether you're dating or trying to get a woman, making her miss you is crucial. When a woman misses you, she becomes more drawn to you. That's because we tend to think about a guy we miss more frequently. Absence makes the heart grow fonder, but absence in a relationship is not such a good option. There's a fine line between making her miss you and making her feel like you're ignoring her. Live your life. Oh yes guys, you might not realise it, but most couples tend to lose themselves in each other. Or when you're trying to get a girl, you always want to be there for her. It's sweet, but it doesn't work always. People need space even when they're together. When you are always there, you start getting bored with each other, and that's how petty fights begin in a relationship. Living your life, even when you are in a relationship, provides a perfect opportunity for you to make her miss you. Go out for a guy's poker night or watch a game together. Maintaining a personal life in a relationship allows you to maintain the energy and the vibes that are attracted and attracts the woman to you. You probably have to adjust some things to make the relationship smooth, but sacrificing your personal life might negatively affect your relationship in the long run. Women are also very attracted to men that have a vision and ambition that drives them. Make your interactions breathtaking. It's very hard for a woman not to miss a guy that gives her a good time. When you're trying to get the woman you desire, you have to make her feel that with you, she has the best moments of her life. When a woman starts associating you with desirable feelings and fun, she will miss you each time she feels bored or low. She will want to share with you her fun, and that will create a need for you every time she feels a certain way. Your scarcity will grow her need to see you, and that will make her miss you like crazy. Even if you are not a very good conversationalist, you can practice the alpha male body language and conversation hacks that will make you stand out in a conversation. Build a mysterious personality. Women are attracted to men that fascinate them, which is why most women are attracted to bad boys. You never know when he will make you feel like the only woman in the world or break your heart. They also have a new rabbit in their magic hat. Mystery captures your woman's interest, and it's her interest in you that will make her miss you like crazy when you're not there. One of the sneaky ways to be mysterious is to tell the woman most of the things except for the details that she wants to know. karmalifestyles.com provides a wide range of products for any guy that wants to learn any of the skills that we've talked about. Well, that's it for today, guys. Catch me in the next one as I go undercover to unravel the most interesting topics. Please check out our services, ebooks and products at karmalifestyles.com. And if you enjoyed my video, please like, share and subscribe. I'm Gabby and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!